Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Amazon Associates tax forms for US filing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Amazon Associates tax forms for US filing, begin by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the top menu. Select the Tax Document option from the drop-down menu. Locate the tax forms you need, such as the 1099K or 1099 MISC. Click on the form to open it in your browser. Once the form is open, right-click on the document. Choose the Save As option from the context menu. Select a destination folder on your computer where you want to save the file. Rename the file for easy identification if desired. Make sure to select the PDF format if prompted. Click the Save button to download the tax form to your computer. Next, consider backing up these files to an external hard drive for added security. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Open the folder where you saved your tax forms. Drag and drop the files to the external hard drive. Alternatively, you may choose to upload them to a cloud storage service for remote access. Log into your preferred cloud storage account. Create a new folder for your tax documents to keep everything organized. Upload the saved tax forms into this folder. Check that the files have successfully uploaded before logging out. Finally, store any physical copies of important tax documents in a secure location. Ensure that these steps are completed well ahead of tax season to avoid last-minute issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.